Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video I am showing you my new studio setup. My original plan for this week's video was actually showing you how to use this eraser by Faber-Castell, but I noticed that I had a lot of issues with lighting, and the issues were mostly caused, I think, by my studio setup. And I can show you now. Hang on a second. I used to have my table in front of the window. Just imagine that table there, and if you want to actually see how it looked like just before this weekend, check out my studio tour video. This is how the sky looks most of the time here in Wales. Sometimes even worse, so it's quite grey, and that affects the lighting in my room. So I really needed to address this issue because I only have this light, and then I've got this light, which, oops, sorry, this is a daylight lamp. This is just an ordinary light, and then I've got the ceiling light, and that's basically it. So last week I spent quite a lot of time looking at video lights and watching YouTube reviews of several lights, and finally arrived at the decision to order one of the lights they recommended, which hopefully arrives today, and I will show you the light when I have set it up. So back to my studio. So this, as you can see, is my table. Bought it in IKEA. Oops, I can't walk anymore because this is how my back looks like. Yep, lots of stuff. And this is just to cover what's behind it. Let's have a look. Yeah, we store our towels and bed linen in there, and that drawer doesn't work anymore. So yeah, this is just to hide it a bit and make it look a bit nicer. You might wonder why I have a sleeping bag on the floor, which is full of cat hair, as you can see. It's because our cat loves to sleep on it and sometimes in it when she wants to be close to me. And yeah, so what can I show you? This is actually, well, it's supposed to be a guest room. We don't get many guests, so it has basically become my workroom. Lots of clay in there, clay and other stuff. I've done a studio before, so you can watch that if you want. Goes into more detail. I just wanted to show you my new setup. So basically, if I go out of the room, oops, I'm out of the room now. Oh, and this is our cat. Hi, Bobby. Yeah, she looks a bit disheveled at the moment. She has been to the vet a few weeks ago when it was really hot, and they shaved a lot of fur off her. She's better now, so it grows back hopefully soon, especially when it's getting colder. Hi, Bobby. Back to the room. So, yeah, that's my chair, window. So this is it. So everything is now propped up against the wall, and hopefully I will have more light in the future to create my videos. So you might wonder about this setup. I'm using this duct tape mainly to remind myself to stay in this bit when I film tutorials from above, because if I don't, then I'm out of shot, and it happened a few times, so I try to find a solution to that problem. So this is the sleeping bag with our cat on it. Hi, Bobby. Do you want to say hi? Hello. No. She's very talkative normally, but I think she's a bit shy. So back to my setup. You might be wondering what this is. This is actually a lap stand, and my husband brought this home from work because it was being chucked out, and I'm using this to film my videos from the top. It's the cheapest solution I could find. It's not perfect, but for the time being it'll do. And this is my Gorilla tripod. So yeah, this is how I film my videos from above. And I can also, shouldn't do that, sorry, try this again. And you can also change the height. I'm not doing this because I need to do this with two hands really. And this is how I film my videos from above. So yeah, what else can I show you briefly? So more arts and crafts stuff on those two shelves. Then we've got more clay in those two boxes. My CD player and my CDs. Photo tent. And this chair used to be on the other side of the room, but I put it back to the window because it's nicer to have it by the window. And that's it really. I can't really show you more. I hope you found this video interesting. Leave a comment below. I always like reading your comments, and I always try and respond to your comments. So, and with this I'm saying goodbye. Bye bye.